Hello, my dear students. This is Neeraj again with my chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.1, question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. We have done this chapter linear equations of framing the linear equations in 8th class. So firstly we will frame the equation, then we will solve it graphically, and firstly we will derive it algebraically. So according to that, there are two persons, one is Aftab and the other one is daughter, and they are talking about their present age. So I will start my topic with the let the present age of Aftab is equals to x years, and let the present age of daughter equals to y years. Now we are talking about Aftab and his daughter. The age of present age Aftab x, daughter y. Now according to the given question, Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, 7 year past. If I am now 30 years, I am now of 30 years and you are of 20 years, means today let this year is 2020. Before 7 year, what will be the that year? That will be 2013. Similarly, 7 years ago, if I am counting the age of Aftab and his daughter, 7 years ago, age of Aftab will be x minus 7 because I am talking before 7 years, and daughter will be y minus 7. Now according to the given condition, Aftab is talking I was. I means who is I? I is Aftab. Means x minus 7. Aftab is talking about himself. So x minus 7 was means is equal to 7 times. 7 times means 7 multiplied by as old as you were then. At that time, what was the age of the daughter is y minus 7. So what is the given equation? X minus 7. Now open the bracket. 7 into y will be 7y, and 7 into 7 is minus 49. Now take all the variables on one side and the constant on the other side. It will be x, 7y comes on this side, minus 7y, 7 goes on this side, minus 49 plus 7. You can say x minus 7y equals to minus 42, and this is the equation number 1. This was the first line according to the question. Now the second line, 3 years from now, means if today is 2020, 3 years from now means I am talking about 2023. So 3 years from now, what will be the age of Aftab at that time? Means x plus 3. After 3 years I am talking about. And what will be the daughter? If the age of Aftab increases after 3 years, then the daughter's age also increases. It will be y plus 3. So according to that, also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Talking, I means Aftab. Aftab is talking about himself. So Aftab is x plus 3. 3 times. 3 times means 3 multiplied by the age of the daughter. Y plus 3. Open the brackets. X plus 3. 3 into y will be 3y plus 9. Take the constant one side and the other terms on the other side. X minus 3y. And when 3 comes on this side, 9 minus 3. X minus 3y equals to 6. This will be the equation number 2. So what is the question? Represent the situation algebraically. This is the algebraic method in which you are framing two equations in the form in which where one side is having the constants and the other side is having the variables. That type of solution is called algebraically. Now I am going to explain it graphically. We have done this method in ninth class also. Now I am going to describe it with the help of a graph paper. Firstly, I have given the equation number